Welcome to another knowledge nugget. Today's focus will be on calibration requirements when handling a CORTEX device. The content of today's clip includes the purpose of calibrating a system, classifying calibration into different types, and lastly, processing steps for successful calibration. Calibration in metrology is a standard measuring process that determines and documents the deviation of gas readings in a measuring device. Thus, calibration is a process of regulating those values. Periodically, we have to perform calibration so we can expose the sensors to a known concentration gas in order to adjust and correct any drifts of the values, ensuring this way precise measurements. Calibration in CORTEX devices are classified into a 1 and 2 point calibration. Both calibrations look at the linear relationship between a defined gas concentration and the measured gas signal that is collected from the sensor. The 1 point calibration lasts less than 1 minute and the 2 point calibration only 2 minutes. The 1 point calibration on our software, it is called sensor adjustment and uses fresh ambient air to perform its validity. As described earlier, this step is repeated before each test with the help of a background view. The 2 point calibration consists of 2 steps: sampling of the ambient air and sampling of the medical gas. By reading these 2 values, we check for any potential drifts of the sensor. As depicted on the clip, the intervals of 2 point calibration are performed every 2 or 4 weeks for each respective device. Moreover, the calibration of the reusable turbine is mandatory to ensure accurate flow volume data. It is performed before every test and with the help of a 3-liter calibration pump. 5 successful strokes need to be completed. But this is not necessary when using a disposable turbine since they are pre-calibrated during manufacturing. To sum it up, calibration is necessary for medical devices where reliability and validity are vital across different occupations in medicine, exercise, and sports. Standardized guidelines and actions must be followed when conducting calibration in order to achieve high measurement accuracy through reliable gas and volume sensors. Thank you for joining.